Here's a little unboxing, and I looked at everything you get in this SOPAMI toilet wand cleaning kit right here. So here's what is the storage unit. Get this plastic off of there. There we go. So that actually has a really nice clean look to it. And then you just load this up with these. So let's just do that right here. And place this piece facing up. Just like that. Let's get the wand right here. You get 3 more packages of the little pads. And then here's the wand. Assemble it like this. And then right here is where you attach the pad, and then you have this little button right here that releases it when you want to just drop it into a trash can, and you got a little hanging hook right here. So for example, and then you also can store this right there. But when you want to get a pad on it, you just press it down onto one of these, just like that. And then when you're done using it, just press this button right here and drop it into the trash can. You can grab another one, hang it up, whatever you want to do.